Hey guys, my name is Mrs. Stinson and I'm going to help you with multiplying rational numbers, specifically multiplying mixed fractions and decimals. So we're going to look at this problem. If you're thinking you've seen it before, it's because you have. You're absolutely correct. This is a problem from your semester exam. First off, you might be noticing that I have these rectangles at the bottom. So we're going to use those as our strategy to solve this problem. So it starts with a grocery store sells steak for $6.10 per pound. What would be the cost of 2 3/5 pounds of steak? Well, first of all, I'm going to start off, I've got 2 3/5 pounds of steak. So I'm going to use one of these rectangles to represent 1 pound of steak. So I've got 2 3/5, so there's my second. It's going to represent my second pound of steak. And then I don't have a third pound, but I'm going to need another bar in order to represent that. All right, so the problem says each pound is worth $6.10. So for each one of these, I'm going to represent, or I'm going to write $6.10 to represent each pound. So there are my 2 pounds represented, each of them $6.10. Now, for that 3/5 of a pound, I know that 3/5 of a pound is a little bit more than half, because half of 5 is 2.5. So that means that's about half, that's kind of about half. And then 3/5 is a little bit more, because 3 is a little bit more than 2.5. And so that's going to represent, the dotted line is going to represent my 3/5, but I'm going to use the solid line to represent 1/2 because I know benchmark fractions are easier to work with. So I know that if 1 full pound is $6.10, then half of a pound would be $3.05. So if I add these three up together, I've got $6.10 plus $6.10. Well, I know that 6 plus 6 is 12, so that's $12, and then 10 cents plus 10 cents is 20 cents. So right now, just looking at that, I know that 2 pounds would have cost me $12.20. That means answer choice G is not correct because it is way too little. Also, it tells me that answer choice J cannot be correct either, because I still have this whole half I need to get to. So when I add on the $3.05 from my estimating, when I add those together, I get $15.25. So I know, since 2 3/5 is higher than what I've estimated, I know that my answer has to be bigger than $15.25. When I look at my answer choices, the only one that's remaining that is larger than $15.25 is F, $15.86. So this one is also incorrect.